Ahoy!
Why am I never in the story?
Yeah? Oh, Henry! Oh, how's it going? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, I see. Huh. Yeah, I'm flying right now, actually. Where are you? The wall. Yeah, I think I've heard of that place. Actually, I'm pretty close. Yeah, I'm on a mission, but, I should have some time to swing by. Yeah, just, try to get outside and I'll, you know. Hey!
Why am I never in the
Where you going? What? Hey, so, I see the wall. Oh, you're outside? Nice. I think I see you. Yeah, there's a guard in the way. I got this. Yeah, it'll be just like the old times. Yeah. Got him. Wait.
Why am I never in the story?
I got the perfect plan. This is the greatest plan. And there you go. Hey, I'm seeing a helipad up here. Could be a pretty good place to get picked up. Once I get close, though, they'll probably raise the alarm. Oh, yeah, they see me. I'm coming in, get ready. Just jump off the edge. Wait, was that the plan? Man, we really should have coordinated that better. I mean, I was not prepared at all. Get him!